Hey guys, what's going on? Wanted to take a quick video here and showcase something new that I just picked up. This is a John Deere Model 57 rear engine. It's got a 7-horse Tecumseh engine on it. Picked this bad boy up at auction for $112. And when I did get it, it wasn't running at all. And the last guy had put brand new tires on the rear, but a bunch of stuff was missing from it. The tank is broke on this one, so it's just got a bungee cord holding it on. And obviously this is different, but the inside, it's stripped a little bit, so it kind of, when you try and start it, it will skip. And to make things even worse, that the electric start, so the electric start doesn't even work. Something with the, it's not in there. It's not kicking out, and like I said, this thing, it's old, it's crusty. I'm sure it just needs a little bit of loving, but I did get it to run after running the carburetor through the ultrasonic cleaner and putting in a new carb kit, which for these VE770 Tecumsehs is incredibly difficult. But I did find one place that had one, and finally got it going. But yeah, overall, it's in really good condition. This whole tub piece is all fiberglass. It is broke right there, and where this piece comes down had a lip at one point in time that is gone. So I am trying to track down a new one because I would like to go ahead and restore this one. Besides that, everything on it worked. Mower worked great. I have the mower, not a single rust spot in it. Good Lord, the mower. The deck, not a single rust spot in the deck. All the gears worked. I do need to find a new knob here because it is very difficult when you're on it. And I need a new adjustment lever for the deck. It's missing. But besides that, everything works. So I'll go ahead and show you, see if she'll fire up here. Rocking the Toro key in the John Deere. Ooh, she tried. Ooh. Take it out for a quick spin. There it is. Needs a little bit of tuning. I notice I kind of get a surge on it still, but even reverse works. So like I said, just a quick little video of this old thing. I think it's pretty cool. Goes good with the 140 H3, but that's another one that I picked up recently here within the last few months. Beautiful thing, starts right up. I'll probably be making a video on it. That was my grandfather's workhorse that he bought brand new. Unfortunately, he did pass away, and so the family had sold this to another person in town not too far away, and for about the 5 or 6 past years I've been trying to buy it back, and he finally decided he'd sell it. And if anyone who knows the wheel horse workhorse stuff, that's not the original engine. It would have had 11 horse in it, but they swapped in an 18 horse twin. So, and then this is kind of an odd duck. I just had this one painted. I'm still working. The sheet metal is not really on it. It's just kind of sitting on it for right now. It's going to go back inside with some of the others. I want to redo the frame, clean up the engine stuff. But this is actually a wheel horse 520, which workhorse never did. And I thought it'd be kind of cool to make something that, well, just never existed, of a 520 workhorse instead. So, like I said, it's got all the gauges. I still got to work on a few things, get some new wheels and tires and clean it up and repaint the rest of it. But overall, it's going to be pretty cool. So, appreciate it. Thanks for watching.